Once upon a time, there lived a little shepherd. Every day, the shepherd took care of his sheep by the hill.
Spread some butter on the bun. Look, that's my son. Jarjit!
Taking care of sheep is my duty. Each and every one is safe with me. Bring them out to graze in this valley. Then I can relax and be happy.
Happy little bunch of lambs are we, running up and down, all fun and play, grazing on the grass without worry, climbing over hills and eat all day. I'm the strongest lamb in this valley. He ate all my food, that's why he's fat. I'm the fairest lamb in the whole wide world. I like it, I like it. Welcome everybody, family and friends. This is our story, the shepherd and his lambs.
Psst, Ijat, Ijat. The shepherd took care of his sheep every day. But after a while, he started to get bored with his work. Then, one day...
I know. Marvelous, marvelous.
Then he shouts.
Wolf! Wolf! Can someone please lend me a hand? Wolf! Wolf! A wolf is chasing all my lambs.
Wolf? Wolf? Where? Let's go and eat a hen. Where's the wolf? What's so funny about it?
There's the sheep, but there is no wolf.
What? No wolf?
Don't be mad. I'm just playing around.
The shepherd didn't feel bad at all.
That was fun. I think I'll do it again. Why not? Wolf! Wolf! The big bad wolf is here! Help me! Help me!
Wolf? Wolf? Where? Let's go and eat a hen. You're lying again.
I'm kidding!
Little shepherd, if you call us again, we won't believe you. Yes, liar.
My tummy! Okay, I won't do it again.
Angry, the villagers went home. Suddenly...
I am the hungry wolf. I'm gonna eat all the sheep. Yum, yum, yum.
Wolf! Can someone please lend me a hand? Wolf! Wolf! A wolf is chasing all my
Wolf? Wolf? Please
my little lambs are here no more, taken away by the big bad wolf. It's all your fault. You didn't come to help. Now I am so sad and all alone.
Let this be a lesson for us all. Never tell a lie, how big or small. No one will believe you anymore. Always tell the truth and nothing more.
Forgive me. I am so sorry.
Hey everyone, don't ever tell lies like that. Even if you tell the truth, no one will believe you again. Yes.
The shepherd